Welcome to AutoCAD tutorial. This is your Rakesh. Today I am going to explain how to give a dimensioning in 3D modeling. Before giving dimension, to make few settings in AutoCAD. First one is go to the annotate, select annotative dimension. Next go to the dimensions tool manager. In this dimension style manager, click on modify text, text style. Font name is I am selecting Times New Roman. Set current, OK, close. Next text placement, select above. Text alignment, ISO standard. Go to the fit. In fit, fine tuning, select draw dimension line between extension lines, primary units. Click on precision, take 0, OK, set current, close. Select dimension. Before giving the dimension, first select the face, go to the home. This one the coordinates toolbar. This was the UCS icon. In this I am selecting UCS face. First I am giving this dimension to this face. Select this face, accept or click enter button. Go to the annotate, select dimension or shortcut key is DIM enter. Select first point and second point and drag down. This dimension is invisible, so increase the scale. Go to the annotation scale of the current view. This is available in status bar. I am selecting 1:16 ratio. The text size is increased. Now go to the annotate, select dimension, give another dimension in this front view. Next select first point, end point and drag down. Next similar to select this point and this point, drag right. Next similar to first point, end point, drag to right. In front view the dimensions are completed. Next go to the left side view, go to the home, select face, select left side face, accept or click enter button. Now select, go to the annotate, select dimensions, select first point and end point and drag down. Now go to the home, coordinates, select face, select top face, select face, top face, accept or click enter button. Now go to the annotate, select dimension, select first point and second point, drag to left, that is 28 mm dimension. Now give the dimension for top view, this 22, 36 diameter, next 36 diameter. Go to the home, select face, select this top face, click accept or enter button. Now go to the annotate, select dimension, select start point and end point of this circle and drag to left. So this is incorrect dimension, so select linear dimension, first point. This is also incorrect. So go to the home, select face once again, select face, accept, go to the annotate, dimension, first point, second pan, drag to left. Next similar to this, give 22 mm diameter, first point, end pan, drag to right or go to the select diameter, select this inner circle and drag to left. Next, enter, select second one. Okay, these dimensions are not in correct proper, so delete this 3 dimensions. Go to the home, uh, select rotation option, select Z rotation and enter 180 degrees, 180 degrees, enter. Now go to the annotate, select dimension, select first point, second point and drag. This is the correct proper dimension. Now select diameter, select this inner circle diameter. Okay, this one is correct, somewhat better. Now select diameter, select outside circle, now go to the home, select face, select this side view slanted face, select face, select this slanted face, accept. Now go to annotate, dimensioning, okay. Now go to the, now select linear dimension, select midpoint of this slant edge. This is also incorrect dimension, so go to the home, rotate angle with respect to Z axis, enter 180 degrees, enter. Now select face, accept. Go to annotate, select linear dimension, first point, second point. This is also wrong, so again rotate with respect to Z axis 180 degrees, enter. Go to the annotate, select linear, select first point, end point, drag. Okay, this one is the correct dimension. For giving this to top host diameter, go to the home, select top view face, this top view face, accept. Go to the annotate, linear, select first point, end point, drag. Otherwise select dimension, start point, end point, drag. Now select dimension, diameter, now select diameter, select this circle. This is also reverse dimension, so go to the home, change the axis rotation 180 degrees, enter. Go to the annotate, diameter, select this circle and give. Okay, this is the correct dimension. Now go to the home, give this 63 mm and 100 mm dimension, so select front view and change the origin from fixed point to this midpoint. Now select annotate, dimension. This is your starting point. The height is 63, enter 63, enter and drag to left. Now again select this midpoint and this center point and drag to right, that is 100 mm. This 2 dimension intersect, so move this 28 dimension from otherwise give once again